Okay, ready?
You gotta wait for the kid to move. Get on your mark. Get set. Go. Wow, Kasim. No, you didn't. What the hell was that about?
Told you. I told you.
Champ.
Never try. Champ. Face me in a pull-up competition. A what? Pull-up competition. Champ. Okay, let's go. My side hurt.
Yeah, right. Excuses, excuses.
I bet you I could get up this faster than you. Bar. Bet you I could get up this fast. I'm already up there. I wonder if I could climb that. Nope. Too much. It's too steep. My hand is too greasy. I could just use upper power. That's it.
You can't help it.
If I use my legs, it's gonna hurt.
Get on the slide.
I wasn't.
Do not go down.
Yeah, let's go, Darcy. Come on, you turkey.
Upper power all day. Too much, man. Too much. Too much. Too much for the camera. Oh, I can't do it no more. I'm slipping. Yeah! I gotta take a poop for it.
Go down the slide. Go!
That's how I climb the tree. Or something. You know that one rail that's like that? Where you hold your head. You can put your hands in.
Mm-hmm.
That's where I climb up like that. I don't use no legs.
Who? In the pink and the shorts.
Who the what? Yes. She spazzes out so quick. She cursed out Mrs. Springer, yo. That's good. Mrs. Springer's annoying. But say no, she had like
Tourette syndrome?
No.
What? She wants to go on a swing.
Like she here. Go ahead and do like that one dude that like around my height and got stuck in a freaking.
Well, don't climb in it, Kasim.
I'm gonna try.
No, just sit on top of it. Kasim, don't climb in it.
I can't even put
my
foot through it.
Good. Darcy, go push your brother.
Yeah, right. I ain't pushing that.
Go ahead, go push your brother.
I push him forward.
Just
He's swinging already.
Go push him.
But he already swinging.
Whatever.
Why I need to push him for?
Because I want it on the camera.
You're going to push me off there.
Come on.
Nice. Ow! Said push him. Get on the swing so I can push you. Get on the swing. Sit. So you sit down. Be comfortable. I don't know. I get skunk sick anyway. I don't get on no swing. So I can take it like this. Not fixing.
Stop being destructive. Kasim, you're tall enough to just fling it over.
No.
Yeah, you are.
Upper power! Okay.
Wait from the cup. Wait from the cup.
Grab those, climb down there, grab onto this. What?
Start!
You don't even gotta do it this way. You can go like that.
Yeah, I bet he does.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard like that.
Ow!
Alright. Now climb onto that pole right there.
Dude,
Grab that pole. And use your upper body strength. Because you're not gonna be able to do it with your legs.
Whoa.
I don't want you falling. I need some chalk. That way my hands don't slip. Alright, I'll go. I'm gonna try to go.
You just kicked yourself in the